Yeah, we love wasps. They love us too. Got some flying around here. This is how it goes. Pretty simple job. Then here's a light fixture. You want to match white with white, black with black, and you want to match a copper ground. That's how you put it back up. Steve's going to show you how to do that. Whoops, I'm trying to get stuff and hold the camera at the same time. They're right here.
Okay.
One at a time. So, the white, I mean, he's doing black right now, so that's the line.
Well, you're supposed to do black last.
Okay, you're supposed to do black last. Okay, so
You're supposed to do ground, neutral, and black when you're putting them together, and do it the other way around when you're taking it apart.
yeah, remember that's what you told me. So I always do the ground first, which is the copper wire you see. And why do you put those on there?
Because you do it that way. If you do the black one first and it's live, it's going to put power on your neutral as well. So now instead of having one live wire, you've got 3 or 4 live wires. So it's just a safety precaution.
Yeah, we do this a lot, so many times. It's like riding a bicycle. And we have to always pull on the wires to make sure that they are in there tight.
Because these wire nuts don't always grab.
Right. And if you pull it and it comes out, guess what? You gotta do it again. Now
All right.
we're ready to
Getting
mount.
solid.
Now you're gonna tuck the wires inside there. It's kind of tricky, especially with the big fat one.
Yeah, especially if they're a large gauge wire that are kind of on the stiff side.
Yeah. But you don't have to worry about that. It'll get in there. There's plenty of room. You just gotta be patient and keep working with it until you can get it where you need it to go. To have that little,
Yeah, it's up here.
okay. So, hold on. It's got a little nut there that actually goes up in there to hold the light on. Kind of a tight fit. There it
There you
is. And now, last but not least, we are going to get the little bulb cover.
We have a light bulb for it.
No, that is special. See, so I took a picture of it. We have to let them know.
Oh, okay.
Special, like little LED that goes in there, not a regular light bulb. So this one little screw there is supposed to hold that on. And then when he's done,
There you go. I'm done.
we get to come back over here because I turned the main breaker off. See, it's reading that's nothing on right now. So you lift this cover. I'll let Steve flip it on so that I can show you what it looks like. There it is. That's all you do. Put the cover back down until it's on again. Now the next thing we gotta do is take a stove out. The new tenant's moving in. Like their glass top stove instead of our burner electric stove. So that's our next thing we get to take out, right?
Right.
Okay. Then we're gonna sneak up on someone over here, see what he does.
Yes, we brought a special guest with us today.
Special guest. Loves coming with us. Look at that pretty dog right there. Want to say hi, Ty? Speak.
Speak.
Speak. Do it. Do
Speak.
it. Good boy.